warning for northern Powell County and east central Kentucky, southern Montgomery County and east central Kentucky, south central Bath County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Manistee County and east central Kentucky until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
You've been listening to
thunderstorm was
Insight for
located
Living
over
with Chuck Swindoll, sponsored by Insight for Living Ministries. This program relies on your prayers as well as your continued financial support to remain on the air. You can write to Insight for Living, P.O. Box 269000, Plano, Texas 75026, or call 1-800-772-8888.
Central Kentucky's Christian Radio, Life 99.
Sighting entries. This severe thunderstorm will be Jeffersonville around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersonville around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Clay Lake around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Cornwell and Rothwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.